Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the Lian Li ATX PC case, 4 slots vertical GPU kit, VG4v4, we want to remind you that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This vertical GPU kit is a fantastic accessory for PC builders looking to showcase their graphics card while improving airflow and overall aesthetics. The VG4v4 is the latest iteration from Lian Li, featuring 3 height adjustments that allow for optimal clearance around your GPU I/O ports. This is particularly useful for avoiding interference with HDMI and DisplayPort cables, a common issue with vertical mounting solutions. You can angle your GPU forward to enhance cooler clearance or tilt it backward to better display the card's design, making it a versatile choice for both performance and style. One of the standout features is the dual-angle tilt function. In the neutral position, airflow can become turbulent due to nearby components, but by tilting the GPU forward, you improve airflow dynamics significantly. This means cooler air enters more effectively while warm air is expelled, helping to maintain better thermal performance during intense gaming or workloads. Included with the kit is a premium 200mm PCI-E 5.0 riser cable, which supports data transfer rates up to 32 gigabits per second, double the bandwidth of PCI-E 4.0. This makes it future-proof and compatible with the latest generation GPUs without bottlenecking performance. Additionally, the kit includes an anti-sag support arm that attaches to a motherboard standoff, providing enhanced GPU stability and preventing sagging, which can be a concern with heavier cards. Aesthetically, the VG4v4 doesn't disappoint. Integrated RGB lighting adds a dynamic visual element to your build, elevating the overall look of your PC. The black finish blends well with most cases and components, ensuring a sleek and professional appearance. Pros: 3 height adjustments for flexible GPU positioning, dual-angle tilt for improved airflow and cooling, PCI-E 5.0 riser cable supporting up to 32 gigabits per second data transfer, anti-sag support arm for GPU stability, integrated RGB lighting for enhanced aesthetics, compatible with most ATX cases. Cons: installation may require some patience for first-time users. RGB lighting may not sync with all motherboard software. Overall, the Lian Li VG4v4 vertical GPU kit is an excellent investment for PC enthusiasts who want to improve both the look and performance of their system. Don't forget, the link to buy this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Grab yours while the offer lasts.